Hello guys, nandito ulit ako sa Nangka River. Ito po yung kanina ko pong kinunan ng umaga. At ngayon po, ganito na po siya. Just few minutes of rainfall na nag-start ng 3 in the afternoon. Po siya, mataas na po siya. And as you can see, yung current niya napakalakas. It's so strong and it's really raging. We're just hoping and praying na hindi pa siya umabot sa gutter, pero it looks like malapit na. So medyo it's really alarming. Ito po yung small river na nagko-connect sa Pasig and San Mateo all the way to the big river dun po sa may riverbanks na nakikita po natin on national TV. So right now, we're braving ourselves for what could eventually happen anytime. So guys, so really need your prayers. There's not much that we can do but just to monitor this river. Sana itong ulan tumigil na. Yun. So lahat na rin po ng mga tao dito nag-aabang, binabantayan din po itong ilog na to para just in case kung ano man makaporma na rin po kami. So yun, we're holding on. So that's the update for now.